Introducing the Spectrum range of professional lighting modifiers, perfect for flash and continuous lighting, including the popular Pro Parabolic and the Pro Lantern softboxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Drop a like in this video if it's helped you in any way. Leave a comment down in the comment section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Professional Lighting Modifier range. Follow us on social media at spectrum.aurora and Spectrum Photo Video, or visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. We've got two different types of lighting modifiers here that are perfect to use with flash or continuous lighting. These are Bowens mount softboxes, and what they do is they soften the light and they offer a natural spread of light when using flash photography or if you're using continuous lighting for photography or for videos. So if you're a content creator looking to soften your light and make it look a lot more natural, these softboxes are perfect for that. Here on my left, I've got the Pro Parabolic softbox. This is available in three sizes. It's 70 centimeters in diameter, 90, and 120 centimeters. They're all Bowens mount softboxes, so that means they are pretty much a universal mount that can be mounted to really popular brands of lights, including Godox, Aperture, and so many different other lights. So they're universal in many ways. And also, if you're just after a light softbox that'll soften that light for you, this is perfect for that. Now on this side here, I've got the Pro Lantern softbox. It's available in two sizes, 65 centimeters and 85 centimeters. And this is perfect for lighting a wider scene, so a wider area. So what you can see here, there's a black part to the softbox, as well as the white diffuse part. So the black blocks out the light, and the white here softens the light in all directions. So you can see that's pretty much 180 degrees. If you had a light positioned pointing downwards, the light will disperse in an even area around your subject. So if this is going to be lighting a wider area, or perhaps a interview scenario or a group of people, this softbox is perfect for that. The Pro Parabolic softbox that I have with me here is the 70 centimeter size. So you can see it's a circular softbox, and that means it offers an even spread of light in a round catch light. So if you're actually shooting a subject, so if you're shooting yourself or you're shooting a model, you'll see a round catch light in their eye. The Parabolic softbox is quite unique because it's quite deep. So that means it directs the light a little bit better, but you do have a few accessories that help you spread the light or even direct it even further using the grids. So what's included with the softbox is a carry bag. Now this carry bag has a central zipper compartment there, but it also has a side zipper compartment that allows you to open the bag completely there to easily insert and remove the softbox when you're packing it up or packing it away. Here we've got the diffuser sheet, and this diffuser sheet sits on the front of the softbox and it's attached via Velcro. So there's a Velcro lining all the way around the outer rim of the softbox there. And also a honeycomb grid. So this honeycomb grid also is attached via Velcro. So you attach the diffuser on the inside of this Velcro lining, and then you've also got the grid, which will be on the outside. And that way you can direct your light even further if you're wanting to create more dramatic lighting effects with the grid. Now, if you want to create a wider spread of light, you remove the grid and you use the diffuser sheet only. The main thing about lighting modifiers is that they should be able to be easily packed away and also easy to set up. The great thing about the Pro Parabolic range of softboxes are that they're easy to set up. So all you actually have is a quick release and quick lock mechanism on the back of the softbox here. So what you'll see is the Bowens speed ring back. You've also got a little locking screw here that allows you to rotate that speed ring. So if you're wanting to reposition the actual softbox itself, you can do that by releasing that screw. And then when you're set, you can lock that into place and that no longer spins. Now on the back here, you've got 16 different locking mechanisms because you've got 16 rods to create that circular shape for the Pro Parabolic softbox. Now at the back, all you need to do is to release it, you need to just pull up, press the button, and that releases the actual rod from the position. Now if you wanted to lock it, all you need to do is pull and you'll hear a little click and that locks it into position. So you need to do that 16 times to set up this softbox. It's actually really quick and easy to do. If I'm wanting to release this and show you how to pack this down really quickly, all you need to do is just release 16 of these knobs. And there you have it. So I've released 16 of those knobs and you can see it's collapsed the softbox to the size that will fit into this carry bag. And that means when you're on location or if you have a studio set up, you can easily set these up and pack these away when you don't need them. So the Pro Lantern softbox is equally just as easy to set up and pack away. You've actually only got two components as part of the softbox. You've got the cover, which is the diffuser, and also this black part at the top here, and that's all one piece. It's all Velcro attached there, and then you've got the frame itself. Now, this softbox is also a Bowens mount, so that means it's compatible with all Bowens mount lights. They're from popular brands such as Godox and Aputure. And the actual speed ring itself has a locking nut too, so if you're wanting to rotate that speed ring around for any reason, you can do that by releasing this screw. And then when you're happy with the position, just screw again to tighten. Now, the setup of this actual softbox is a little unique because of its unique shape. So there's no rods or anything that you need to lock into place. What you need to do is the frame itself has a little hook mechanism towards the center of the lantern, and you need to hook and release. And you can see there, it comes down into the frame itself and the diffuser cover, which is how this softbox is constructed. And it comes with the carry bag here, so that means you can slip that into the carry bag and pack that away and bring this with you on location if you need to, or if you're just wanting to store it away after a shoot. So the Lantern softbox is a unique shape because it offers a 270-degree omnidirectional spread of light. And it's actually perfect for filmmakers and for interview scenarios, perfect for video production. So the setup, which I showed earlier, is actually quite unique. You can see there it's just push down, hook the rod into the hooking mechanism at the front of the softbox there, and it creates that lantern shape. And you do this with the actual diffuser sheet on. And to collapse it, you just press down and release that hook there, and the frame's collapsed. So why would you choose the parabolic softbox over the Lantern softbox? The parabolic softbox is a really versatile softbox that can be used in so many different scenarios. That includes in photography and when creating films or videos. In photography, you can use it in portrait photography, fashion photography. You can even use it in product photography. So if you're wanting to direct the light towards your subject, whether that's a person or a product, you can use this with continuous lighting or with flash. The Lantern softbox is quite unique. It offers a more subtle light drop-off, and it also lights a wider area. However, you can direct this a little bit more if you would like. The perfect uses for the Lantern softbox include baby photography, pet photography, and also in a lot of video scenarios. So if you're using it in an interview scenario, or if you're doing it for filmmaking or for vlogging, it's perfect for that. That was just a quick look at the brand new range of Spektrum professional lighting modifiers. For more videos just like this, hit that subscribe button, like the video if it's helped you in any way. Feel free to comment down below any questions you have about these lighting modifiers. Follow us on social media at spektrum.aurora or at Spektrum Photo Video, and visit our website, spektrum-brand.com.